Today, we're going to take a look at the model kit that started it all. No, not for Tamiya or anything, but for me and the What's in the Box series of videos. This was the very first kit I did a What's in the Box video on almost six years ago, July of 2015. And then it wasn't a video, I just took a bunch of still photographs and made a video out of those. So today we're going to do a new and hopefully much improved What's in the Box video from the very first one. It is the Honda S600 kit from Tamiya, and it was released in 2015 as a follow-up to the Honda S800 kit that they released in the early or late 90s. 1/24 scale engine detail kit. All right, let's check it out. I'm getting started with the body. And now getting started with parts tree A, which normally we get started with the chassis started with. And then over here is going to be the engine compartment. Interior, door panels, other pieces. More pieces, suspension pieces, part of the interior piece there, two-piece dash. And now the underside. And then the interior will be there. And now moving on to parts tree B, which has a little bit of everything else. Some suspension pieces, exhaust pieces, interior pieces, wheels. Let's start here with the wheels. And you can see they're pretty basic. They're meant to have the hubcaps over them, so you can't really leave them off and show any detail. There you have the exhaust, which I believe an engine piece. A set of seats. Not really doing much on the improvement side, are we? Let's see, the battery light is flashing. Spare tire wheel there, steering wheel there, axle pieces. We have an engine piece there. Hard top option. You have your hood, brakes, spindles, rear axle. I think that's for the radiator there. Turn it over, see a little bit of detail there. And now we're going to take a look at the parts tree C, which is the engine, basically engine parts tree. Now taking a look at the chrome parts tree. We'll start down here. You have front and rear bumpers, hubcaps there. And here you have your headlight buckets, gear lever, wipers, handles, Okay, well, I'm not even sure what that would be. Another gear lever, maybe? Who knows? And inside you have the grill. Now, taking a look at the clear parts tree, which you have a soft top roof option there, window for the hard top, windshield, and various lights, lenses. Now we're going to take a look at the blank sidewall roundy rounds. And now we're going to take a look at the decals and things first. The decal sheet, which is pretty simple. You have some S600 plates, gauges, some emblems, a couple other small decals, and a metal transfer sheet, which just has 3 Honda scripting emblems. So that, my friends, is going to do it for this look. The Honda S600 kit from Tamiya. And yes, I think if you want to get yourself some Honda color matched paint, James and Scalefinishes should be able to get some mixed up for you. Maybe not period correct, but can get yourself some Honda color matched paint mixed up nonetheless. So, on that note, thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.